Hi everyone! I have another swatch and review for you today. This is Sinful Colors, the Best of Sinful Colors collection. I did pick this up at Target. I just looked. They do still have it available, and it was $7.29 for this 6-piece collection. So I'm going to swatch these for you today, so let's get into the swatches. I'm going to be applying base coat under all of these polishes today. The first one is called Pinky Glitter. Okay, this appears to be in a clear base, even though it looks really pink. It looks just like pink holographic glitter. So this will probably make a good topper. Here it is with one coat, and I will try it over some other colors so you can see what it looks like over a darker color. I'm not really sure if this is like a light pink base. Maybe it builds up. We'll check that out. But on the first coat you could use it as a glitter topper because it doesn't have any pink color on your nails. Over here is the second coat. Okay, it might be a sheer pink, so it is pretty sheer. The base probably isn't going to build up very much, but I will put it on a third coat and let you see what it looks like in 3 coats. Okay, let's check out a third coat. Yeah, if it does have any pink, it's just super light tint. So that is 3 coats of Pinky Glitter. This one is called Vacation Time. Okay, here is the first coat. I didn't have quite enough on my brush there. Yeah, it looks pretty good on that first coat. I am going to use 2 coats though. I'm actually not sure how to describe this one. This is a very flattering nude shade. It's got some warm undertones. It's not really a tan. I would say it's probably like a light brown, maybe sort of like brown with maybe a pink undertone to it or whatever. It's very flattering. It's actually a really nice nude shade. This one is called Dream On. Okay, here is the first coat, and this is sort of like a reddish purple, red tone purple, not like the darker blue tone purples. There's one coat. Here is the second coat. That looks great in 2 coats. This one is called Let's Talk. Okay, here is the first coat, and this one is a bluish purple, and it has got a nice shimmer running through it. So it's not a cream. It's just a shimmery polish, and it looks really pretty. This one actually looks fully opaque in 1 coat, but I'm going to put 2 on anyway. There is 2 coats. I thought it would be fun to put Pinky Glitter on top of this and see what it looks like. A little bit more. There we go. Ooh, that looks, oh my gosh, that looks so awesome. Wow, that is great. So looking at Pinky Glitter over this dark color, Pinky Glitter has 2 different size holographic glitters in it, which is very interesting. I love it when they put 2 different size glitters on it in their bottle because it just makes it so much nicer looking. I don't know, it just gives it a different look and gives it, it's like a really cool look. So this one looks super great over dark colors. I don't know, it just reminds me of Starry Night Sky, A Starry Night Sky, and I don't know, it just looks really, really great. So I like this one over purple, and it'll probably look amazing over black as well. This one is Rise and Shine. Here is the first coat. Okay, this one is opaque in one coat. It does have a really slight shimmer to it, but I'm going to try it out in 2. Okay, and this is a very beautiful teal. And here is the second coat, which absolutely does not need one. This one is Endless Blue. The last one stained a bit, so make sure you do use a base coat, preferably one that's really good at keeping nail polish stains off of your nails. Okay. And this one is also a 1-coater. I'm going to add a second coat. And this one is a royal blue. Go, and that is 2 coats. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.